I don't care. If someone wanna ban you, they will ban you. And it's out of my pockets. I just want some company. I just wanna sit here and hold more. Roy, are you here? Eagle. Well, inflation goes up. That means it's every year it's get 2% or 4% harder to get bonuses because inflation. Kim would agree. No, I'm kidding. Okay, it's not like that. I think Iron Bank is like 1 in 390. And I don't know, La Dolce Vita. Skiddle, love you, and that is all. Inflation means you have more of something. Yeah, bonuses is not one of those things. And that's not less. No, inflation.